Hey guys, today we're going to be installing some vinyl on the 2015 STI. Got some really dark black ones. There's also a light smoke color, but I'm going to be doing the black on the STI. Here's what it looks like before. Okay, a few of the things you guys are going to need are the vinyls. Make sure you get a squeegee with a rubber tip on it, because you don't want it scratching the plastic. And then get some microfibers and a spray bottle. Mix it with water and soap and you should be good. And so first thing you want to do is clean the surface. Make sure there's no dust and dirt on the area you're going to apply the vinyl, because it's not going to promote good adhesion. So that's the first thing I'm going to do.